Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are showing you what is going to be in the I Prefer Halloween Christmas Advent Countdown to Christmas 26-piece kit that we are selling on eBay.
That's a mouthful.
Starting our bids at $25 with $15 shipping and handling. Notice that these are all the darker color with a couple lights for the doll that prefers Halloween. Her items are a little different. They're Christmas themed, but made in black and white. I love this hat. I really do. I think it's funny. And you can use these not only at Christmas, but between holidays and all year. There's coats, there's skirts, there's a sweater, there is a pet, a neck joint, an apron. Oh, look at this doll stand that Darren printed. Happy Halloween. There's also a doll stand for after the holidays or for one of your other dolls. I got to get a stick in here yet. There are hair ties. I love these. These are the cookie cutters with a sugar cookie recipe. It is an actual recipe that you can use. And even the goth girls love Santa Claus and would like to have this hung up inside their diorama or dollhouse. Little picture. It's actually an ornament, and I left this on here because I wasn't sure if you wanted to use it as an ornament or in a doll diorama. Look at the little gray hangers that Darren made. And we have clothespins for the pants that you might want to clip to it. And what else? This is some sort of fancy dress. I love how these came. They're mysterious. We have some beads I think you'll like for her pull string. And this will come wrapped with numbers on them. And whatever day it is, that's the one you open up. Like if it's the 13th, December 13th, you open the 13th gift. We are a pet-friendly house. I can't say that enough. We have pets in our home. There are items that someone could choke on if you put them in your mouth. Please don't do that. What else, Darren?
And not pre-washed?
Nothing is pre-washed. I made most of these items myself. The fabric was just cut. It was not washed first. And see you on eBay. Please read my description there. So everything is all packed up and ready to come to you. There are some large and small packages ready for you to open. These will get boxed up, and I'll show you the box in just a minute. Everything is numbered, so if it's the 12th, the December 12th, this is the package you open. This is how your package will come wrapped. It may not be the prettiest. I love this paper. But you'll notice that I reinforce all of the corners, all of the paper. Everywhere there's overlay, that's all reinforced so that the post office has no excuses for tearing the labels off. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for participating in bidding, if that's what you're doing. Please leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe to the channel.
It's like the vinyl on your grandma's couch to protect it.
Oh, the tape? Yeah.